So basically, you guys, I got an order today that Shopify could not protect via fraud. As you can see in the red warning, it says it's orders. So I'm covering up their phone number, but basically the mailing address that they want it shipped is going to Miami, Florida, and it says that the billing is the same as the shipping address. So covering up the name again, at 712, there was a first attempt to pay using a MasterCard ending in a 004 that did not work out. So let's take a look at the first attempted payment that was made on the MasterCard ending in 004. I literally just click that down arrow and it brings us here with the card details. So I clicked on Gateway, and through all of this code, I'm able to see that the issuer is the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. So remember that so I had a recent fraudulent customer on my account. She said that she didn't get the hair. USPS said they delivered it. And I actually wasn't able to